Allow me to show you how to get your first few coaching clients in 4 simple steps. The reality is that most new coaches struggle to get clients, and it's not because you don't have the knowledge or you don't have the skills and expertise, but the reality is that you just don't know how to get clients because it's not as easy as coaching someone. You also need to learn the skill of finding clients. In this video, I'll show you 4 exact steps that you can take to make this whole process super simple. And in the next few days, you will find yourself getting 1, 2, 3 or more clients. My name is Marshall Malawa. I make these videos for free. All I ask is that you just simply show your support by hitting the like button. And without wasting any time, let's get into it. The first step is that you need to get clear on exactly what you are offering. This is super important because if you're not clear on what you're offering, your potential clients will also not be clear on why they should work with you. The biggest mistake that I see a lot of new coaches making is that you are trying to be something for everyone. This not only confuses people who could be your potential clients, but it also leaves you burnt out because you keep having to learn new skills and different things, and you have to be a knowledge database of way too many things. In fact, the more you specialize in one particular thing, the more you actually can increase your price. And I'll talk more about that in a future video, but to give you an example, if you need some brain surgery, do you go to your local doctor or practitioner, or you find someone who specializes in that? And you notice the difference between the two. Though both of them are doctors, chances are high that the brain specialist actually charges way more money because he focuses on one thing. So here's what you need to do. Start off by writing down the exact transformation that you're going to help your clients to get. Are you helping people to lose weight? Are you helping people to start an online business? Whatever it is, be very specific. In fact, you can try out this simple sentence structure. Just copy and paste this in a document and then just fill it in and say, I help, mention the specific person you're helping, achieve, mention the specific result you help them to get, and then buy, and then you talk about the method that you're going to be using. For example, I can say I help new entrepreneurs to get their first 10 clients using organic social media strategies. Getting clear on this alone will make everything else simpler and easier. Step number 2 is that you need to create an offer presentation. This can be in the form of a slide deck or a PDF that you just open up and you show your potential clients. This is another very important point because if you are clear on what you're offering, you need to visually present it to your potential clients. And now traditionally, you just need to use something like maybe PowerPoint to create a typical type of slide deck or presentation. But allow me to show you this amazing new software that I just discovered that is just changing the game and making this process of creating slide decks and most types of presentations, it's making it super simple and easy using AI. Check this out. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video to this website. It's called Gamma App, and it's a way that you can make beautiful presentations using AI. You can simply come here, click where it says sign up for free, choose to sign up using your Google, or you can use your current email and just follow the sign up steps. Then this is what the home screen looks like. I recommend that you go through the Gamma tips and tricks, but for the purpose of this video, I'll click where it says create new AI and then choose whether you want to paste content, generate content from scratch, or import a file or URL. I'm going to click the first option to paste, and then I'm going to come here and then I'm going to paste what I want it to create a presentation about. I already prepared a few notes specifically about creating a slide deck about how to grow your business online. I also want some information about me, the problems I solve, and just a few other things that I think would be helpful for a potential customer to know. Then I click on continue. Brings me to the section where there are a few other settings that you can play with. Feel free to just go through it, but for now, I'll click on continue. And then on this page, I get to choose the template that I want to use. For example, I can click on this one, and as you can see, it changes. But because I like blue, I'll click on the blue one and then generate. And as you can see, the AI is starting to generate my whole slide deck. Once done, you can go in here and edit anything that you see. But if I click here at the top where it says present, I can go through my whole slide deck presentation. As you can see, all these different slides have been created for me, and it didn't even take me a minute to make this. Once you're done with it, simply download it to your computer and start making presentations. To try out Gamma for free, simply click the link in the description of this video. And hey, feel free to come back here and give us feedback on what you've created. Quick interruption. If you need help with getting your coaching business off the ground, this is a service that I actually offer out. If you are starting out and you want to launch your coaching business, I help people like you to start, launch, and successfully run coaching businesses. So this is for coaches, this is for consultants. And not only that, I also help you to create digital products that you can create and sell on your own online website so that you can create passive income for yourself. You don't only need to earn by having coaching sessions, but you can also earn by having products that people will buy and they will use for themselves. So there's a link in the description of this video. Click it and sign up for a free consultation with me. We'll talk about your business and whether I can help you to launch your business or not. See you there. The next step is for you to start creating content on social media. Why social media content creation? Because it's one of the best ways that you can get real customers who are ready to work with you. They're not going to complain about your pricing. They're not going to be asking too many questions, but because they are consistently exposed to your content on social media, it becomes easier for them to say yes to you. Now, listen, you can use other methods to get clients, but this is just something that I recommend. For example, you can use maybe paid advertising. And yes, paid advertising will probably get you results way faster. But if you want high conversions or you want clients who genuinely want to work with you because they know you, they like you, and they trust you, I recommend that you go the route of creating social media content. I can't tell you the number of times I get onto Zoom calls with potential clients, and the first thing that they say to me is, Marshall, I feel like I know you. The reason why they say that is because they've watched a lot of the content that I've posted, and then when I get to the end of the call and then I ask them, would you like to work with me? Most of them say yes, because of that relationship that we built up with the content that I posted that attracted them to want to work with me. Now, let me know in the comments if you want me to do an in-depth video about how to get content ideas, how to structure it, how to record it and post it. Just let me know in the comment section if you want a video like that. But also, content does not have to be video format only. You can also create content on platforms like Twitter, Medium, which is a blogging site, or even Instagram, just posting captions. And so it means you don't have to record videos. But anyways, if you're looking for where do I get content ideas or what should I talk about in my content, there are many tips I can give you, but the best place to start is by simply answering questions that people ask you on a daily basis with regards to your coaching service. But if you're maybe someone who's just starting out and no one has been asking you anything, I'd recommend that you look for content on social media where people are talking about the things that you also want to talk about and simply go to the comment section. For example, if you're a fitness trainer teaching people how to lose weight, simply type on YouTube how to lose weight, see the videos that pop up, especially the ones with many views, and then simply read through the comments. Some people will be commenting saying, hey, this is a great video, thank you for sharing, while others will be asking specific questions. You can simply copy down those questions that people are asking, and all you simply do is turn on your camera, press record, call out the question that somebody asked and simply answer it. And then you take that content and share it on social media. Remember, most people, when they are on social media, one of the reasons why they're there is because they are searching for answers to questions, especially on YouTube. People use words like how to lose weight or how to cook this meal or how to fix this particular problem. So if you create videos about how to, whatever your industry or niche is, you will find a lot of people watching your content. Once you've got a list of all these different questions that people are asking, you just simply then need to choose one social media platform where you're going to be creating content and just sharing it out there. I recommend just one platform and not all of them because it can actually become a distraction when you're trying to post on multiple platforms. But you just posting consistently on one platform can get you the results that you need to start. And then later on, you can actually hire a team, and I can show you how to do that so that you can then distribute your content to many other platforms. And then the fourth step is that you then need to get people onto calls, make your presentation, and then close them as clients. Now, as you are posting this content on social media, one of the things that you should mention in the descriptions of your content is that you actually can coach people and help people. If you decided to do video content, in the content itself, you can actually just say, hey, if you want to work with me, simply click the link in my bio or leave me a comment or send me a direct message. The majority of people will just watch the content, but some people who actually need your service or need your help will then reach out to you and contact you. And one simple thing that you can do is just give them a link to your website where they can book a call, or just give them a direct link to a platform like Calendly where they can see your schedule, book a call, choose a date and time, and then you're going to have a conversation with them on that call. And one big secret that I've seen many new coaches struggling with is these calls are not about convincing someone to work with you. It's about simply helping someone to make a decision. Your job as a coach is to help people to see where they're struggling and then present the solution to them at the end of the story, and then offer yourself as the guide who will help them to get to that end of the story. So in this call, you're going to be walking people through the slide deck that we spoke about earlier on, and you're simply going to be showing them that you understand their problem, you have a solution, and you can get them the results that they desire. As simple as that. And one secret hack to these calls is that let the client speak more than you do. Ask them a series of questions that give you insight into the challenges that they're facing or the problems that they're facing. And then when you start presenting your solutions, you present them as a solution in relation to the problems that they told you. And then if you've got a couple of case studies of different people that you have worked with, show them as the results that you're able to help them to achieve. And then as you get towards the end of the call, you simply ask them the question, would you like me to help you with this? You pause. And then if they give you a yes, then you can start telling them about your coaching program, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. And then you ask them if they are ready to sign up, and you pause once again after you've told them your price, and then let them say yes, or if they've got any objections or any questions, you just simply answer those. So like I mentioned earlier on, this is the coaching process that you can follow to get clients. If you need help with this, once again, there's a link in the description of this video that you can click on to book a free call with me. We'll have a conversation about your business and what exactly you're trying to achieve as a coach. And if we're a good fit, I may offer you my coaching service. See what I did just there? That's how I get coaching clients, and that's what I teach my coaching clients. And so if you want to get the same results that I'm getting, because I'm getting a lot of leads and a lot of people wanting to work with me, especially through my social media, if you want that, just click the link in the description and I'll be able to have that phone call with you. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please make sure that you subscribe so that you get access to more content like this to help you to become a better coach. And if you're asking yourself the question, Marshall, how much should I actually charge my clients for my coaching services? Check out this video next, which will show you exactly how you can price your coaching products and services.